Everyone, Jeff here, and I know a lot of folks struggle to lose body fat, and they're like, "What can I do that can click that switch and make it go?" Right? And what I will tell you is, I use myself as my own human laboratory. I've been experimenting with a lot of things this summer to see what I can find that will help. Now, what I will tell you, the things I found up here. Uh, have worked incredibly well for a 47-year-old male. Now, the first thing I found, and you've heard me say this before, but I'm going to reiterate it: skip breakfast. Stop eating breakfast, all right? Basically, just throw it away, get rid of it. Like I said last week, Tony the Tiger is a liar. Number two, you need to eat vegetables. The more vegetables you eat, the more success you're going to have. All right. I mean, if you can eat even up to 5 or 6 cups of vegetables a day, you're going to see great results with that. But my rule is you need to get up to where at least 3 to 4 cups of vegetables per day. Put those in your diet somehow, some way. I don't care if you have to dip everything in ranch, dip everything in cheese. All right. Eat your vegetables. Now, number three, a lot of folks, even myself before, right? Yeah, and I've had to change my mind on some things. They tell you to stay away from fruit if you're trying to lose weight. But here's what I would tell you: I have been pushing the fruit this summer, and it has not hurt me at all. And in fact, it's probably helped in a lot of ways. So I would tell you, try to get somewhere around 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day. Um, Berries are always going to be best. They're lower in carbs, right? Mango, apples, oranges. What I would tell you is, as long as you keep it within perspective on your serving sizes, uh, you're going to be able to get away with just about any kind of fruit. All right, whole fruit, not the fruit juice. And I love smoothies. Next, all right, you gotta have your protein. All right, and one way I've looked at finding protein, or my right protein for me, you want about zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight. All right, so for me, I weigh about 150 pounds. That's about 75 grams of protein every single day. You gotta get your protein in your diet. The next, you've got to get your fat as well. All right, like I said, I put cheese on lots of things. If you're not dairy, then basically uh, avocado, olive oil, cooking butter. All right, those things will help you get your fat intake up, uh, and the more fat you have, once again, I would tell you. Uh, the more fat you're going to lose. Now, a couple other things that I'll tell you, and this goes from the exercise side of the house. All right, you gotta hit the weights, and you gotta hit the weights hard. All right, at least 4 to 6 days a week. The more you can build muscle and build strength, the more results you're going to see with your body fat. On the cardio side, I treat everyone like a sprinter, and that's what I've been doing this summer. Been doing lots of sprints. In fact, most of the runs I do are somewhere between 50 yards or 50 meters to 200 meters. All right. If you're out on a track, that means you're running basically a curve and a straightaway as hard as you can run it. All right. With that said, all right, bottom line is harder is better. Keep it short. Most of my cardio workouts, 7 to 10 minutes. Now I know many of you guys are distance runners, and I was at one point in my life. And if you love doing that, by all means, I don't want to say stop doing that, because it's beneficial for you as well. But what I would tell you is, your longer cardio days, try to keep those down to about 3 times a week, and then do your speed work the other 2 days. And once again, same thing with your speed work. Keep your distances really short and really intense.